Watching the night sky can be an amazing experience, but without the right gear, you might end up staring at more clouds than stars. That's why having a good telescope really matters, especially if you're just getting started or looking to take your stargazing to the next level. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best telescopes for beginners available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these telescopes, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Celestron AstroMaster 130 EQ Astronomical Telescope. A great choice if you're just starting out but want something powerful and reliable. This telescope is perfect for beginners, offering clear, precise optics and a stable equatorial mount that makes tracking planets effortless. Its 130mm aperture gathers enough light to reveal not only the Moon and Saturn, but also distant wonders like the Orion Nebula and the Andromeda Galaxy. Its Newtonian reflector design uses high-quality materials to deliver bright, sharp images, even in low-light conditions. The manual equatorial mount comes with 2 slow-motion control knobs. These let you smoothly follow the movement of any object in the sky, helping you keep it centered for longer periods, which is perfect for deep sky observations. One of the best things about this telescope is how easy it is to set up. No tools are needed, and it's ready to go in just a few minutes. The adjustable tripod is sturdy and fits users of different heights, so both kids and adults can enjoy stargazing comfortably, whether sitting or standing. It also comes with a couple of useful accessories: 2 eyepieces, one 20mm with an upright image corrector, and another 10mm for higher magnification. You'll also get a star pointer red dot finder, which makes it much easier to spot and focus on celestial targets. On top of that, you can download a free astronomy software program to explore even more features and maximize your experience. It's a powerful, user-friendly, and complete telescope that gives beginners a serious start in astronomy without the frustration of complex setups. Next up, we have the SOLOMARK 130 EQ telescope, a solid pick if you're looking to enjoy the night sky without any fuss. This model features a 130mm aperture, meaning it captures more light than smaller entry-level telescopes. That gives you much clearer, more detailed views of deep space objects like distant stars, nebulae, and galaxies. One standout feature is its German equatorial mount, which helps you track the Moon and planets more smoothly. Thanks to the slow-motion control cables, you can make small adjustments without losing focus. Super helpful when following objects that are constantly moving. The telescope is built with carbon fiber reinforcement, which not only looks sleek but also makes it lightweight and durable. Paired with a sturdy aluminum tripod, it stays steady even on uneven ground. The tripod also includes a handy tray, perfect for holding accessories while you're observing. It comes with 2 interchangeable eyepieces, giving you magnification of 32 times and 65 times, so you can switch depending on what you're looking at. There's also a 1.5 times Barlow lens, which flips the image upright, something beginners will definitely appreciate. Another cool addition is the smartphone adapter. It lets you snap photos or record videos of what you see through the telescope, ideal for sharing with friends or on social media. And if you ever get stuck or have a question, customer support is fast and responsive, usually replying in less than 24 hours. Is a powerful, easy-to-use, and well-equipped telescope. It's a fantastic option, whether you're starting out or already have some experience and want to explore more of the night sky. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the EACONN AU80 Astronomical Telescope. A fantastic all-around option if you're just getting into stargazing and want something that's simple, practical, and fun to use. This telescope is designed for both adults and kids, making it a great choice for families who want to explore the night sky together, whether from your backyard or out in nature. The first thing that stands out is its 80mm aperture lens featuring a green-coated glass finish. This coating helps capture more light and enhances both clarity and brightness. You'll get sharp views of the Moon and other celestial objects, but it's also great for daytime use, like birdwatching, scenic landscapes, or spotting wildlife. It includes 2 interchangeable eyepieces, one 20mm lens that gives you 30 times magnification, and a 9mm lens that reaches up to 66 times. On top of that, there's a 5x24 finder scope with a reticle, which makes it much easier to locate things in the sky without getting frustrated or wasting time. The adjustable tripod ranges from 19.7 inches to 52 inches in height, so it comfortably fits users of all sizes, whether you're sitting or standing. It also features an azimuth mount with scale, letting you smoothly rotate the telescope a full 360 degrees for precise tracking. Another highlight is the smartphone adapter, which fits both eyepieces and lets you take photos or record videos directly through the telescope. And since everything fits in the included padded backpack, it's easy to carry it anywhere you go. Is a versatile, user-friendly, and reliable telescope that's perfect for beginners ready to explore the stars, or just enjoy nature from a different perspective. Now let's move on to the Slokey 580 Astronomical telescope, a solid and beginner-friendly option for anyone curious about stargazing. This telescope is designed with simplicity in mind. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and comes with a full kit of accessories, making it a great pick for both kids and adults who want to explore the sky without any hassle. What really makes this model stand out is its 80mm aperture, which delivers brighter, sharper images than smaller telescopes. Its multi-coated lenses boost light transmission, giving you clear views of the moon, planets, and even some distant galaxies. It includes 3 interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, letting you reach up to 250 times magnification. That's more than enough to explore both astronomical sights and land-based scenery. The adjustable stainless steel tripod is sturdy and easy to use. It adapts to different heights and comes with a simple mount that helps you find celestial objects quickly. You'll also get a red dot finder, which is easier to use than traditional finders and speeds up the alignment process. Even if it's your first time, you can get it all ready in under 5 minutes. A feature many users love is the smartphone adapter, which lets you capture photos and videos of what you're observing and share them instantly. On top of that, the telescope comes with a 2-year protection plan and a 30-day return guarantee, which adds extra peace of mind when buying. Is a durable, powerful, and easy-to-use telescope perfect for beginners looking for great quality without the complications, and with everything you need to start enjoying the sky right away, whether from home or out in nature. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the CELTICBIRD 80,600 telescope, a great choice if you're looking for clear image quality, portability, and ease of use all in one. This model is designed for both kids and adults, making it a perfect option for families or anyone who wants to enjoy stargazing without overcomplicating things. It features an 80mm aperture lens, which gathers more light and gives you brighter, clearer views, especially when observing the moon or stars in low light conditions. The fully multi-coated optics enhance sharpness and improve the overall viewing experience. To offer a variety of zoom levels, it includes 2 interchangeable eyepieces, a 20mm lens for 30x magnification, and a 9mm lens for up to 66x. Paired with the 5x24 finder scope, you can easily locate celestial objects and focus on them without frustration. The aluminum tripod is both durable and stable. It adjusts in height from 19.7 inches to 52 inches, making it suitable for younger users and adults alike. And since it's lightweight, taking it with you anywhere is a breeze. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the included carrying backpack. It keeps everything organized and protected, which makes it ideal for camping trips, stargazing nights, or quick getaways. It also comes with an upgraded smartphone adapter designed to help you easily take pictures or videos right through the eyepiece. No extra hassle required. Is a practical, lightweight, and easy-to-use telescope that's great for anyone starting their journey into astronomy. It's a complete and versatile kit that offers great optical quality, so you can enjoy the stars from just about anywhere. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect telescope for beginners, or if there's another telescope for beginners you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.